because the big video that really helped your YouTube channel explode was how to use Zoom at the start of 2020, when large parts of the world were going into lockdown and needed to do online meetings. Was that a video that you planned to do in advance, or was it something which came about from you seeing what was happening?
Yeah, so that actually was a spontaneous video because I saw the world just through online people talking about how people are now having to work from home. So Skype, Zoom, all these different communication platforms were starting to blow up. And I did a little bit of my own research, saw that Zoom was a highly searched keyword or keyword phrase, how to use Zoom. And so I actually got quite lucky with that because that helped the channel explode really quickly. Before that, I was creating about 1 or 2 videos every week for about a year and a bit, and saw slow but consistent growth as soon as that video came out, because there was a need for that video. People needed to know how to use Zoom, how to communicate online with their teams remotely. And so that just took the channel up to the next level. And then just through consistency and building the channel and continuing to provide the content that I knew people wanted to see, that my audience wanted to see, small business owners, just took off. So yeah, that was really the turning point for that channel, for the personal brand. So super grateful that YouTube took that video and ran with it, because that really took the channel to the next level.